The newly developed 3-in-1 laser equipment have function to cleaning, welding and cutting. Start machine. To do cleaning. This smart laser head have a touch screen, enable you adjust the laser parameters, cleaning mode here. More convenient operation. Equipped with automatic swing function for better cleaning effect. High-speed cleaning. Change to welding mode. Different swing type for choice. Nice welding effect. Cutting mode. Flexible cutting. A machine worth to try.